Remember, we strayed after the strange gods of Europe. And for those that were not here when we talked about it, we asked the question, well, how could Moors, being at this high level of science, go for a trick like blonde hair, blue eye, European? Come on, we got the wisdoms of the universe, so we gonna go for that? That's not what we went for. We went for the hatred, slander, lewdness, murder, theft, everything that harmed. These was the gods. First one being hate. That's how we fell, y'all. Hate. Do you hear that? We use the term today, don't we? Hate. We was hating on each other. It ain't no big old secret. And it ain't no big fix. Stop hating. It ain't no big fix. Stop hating. First you gotta stop hating yourself. You gotta learn how to love yourself. Well, what that mean? I love myself. Love, do you? What you doing to yourself? I ain't accusing you of nothing. I'm asking you to ask yourself what you doing to yourself. See, because we got a higher self and lower self. More science is about character. The science that we brought into Spain, the science that we preserved was high nobility, character, knowledge. We spread the higher divine principle, and the people loved us for it. We were industrious and illustrious. And that's why they gravitated towards what we were doing. And until we're industrious and illustrious today, ain't nobody going to gravitate towards us. And if they do, you're not going to be able to keep them in your orbit for too long. And if you've been demonstrating and you know it, it's only one way to keep them in the orbit. It's hard too. Purify yourself. Hearts and minds pure with love, and bodies clean with water. Love. But what is love? You know, it's an abstract concept. How do we love? They say you in the low, you in the high. It's all about vibration. You ever you stand on the street, you see a car go by, that wheel spinning. But if you on the freeway going the same speed as that car, it look like it's standing still. Because you sped up your vibration. You want to see things in your environment right now that you can't see, you got to speed up your vibration because the ethers is all around you. They're all around you. They don't go nowhere. It's just up to you if you're going to direct the force or not. And create some power. And when it's done its work, it'll be no more. You leave that alone and move on to the next. You know, these facts from the Circle 7 Quran. Or Science Temple of America. First thing you got to do is speed up your vibration. But how do you speed up your vibration? How do you speed it up? Because I know people want to know, well, dang, how I do it. I want to see stuff. How do you do it? Practice high divine principles. High divine principles vibrate really, 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 really fast. Lower self principles vibrate really slow. That's why you in the low, you can't do nothing. Oh man, I missed that. I missed that. I'm messing up, you know. Sluggishness of will. Two great failures of human nature. Irresolution in intent of thy actions, and sluggishness of will in their execution. Why sluggishness of will? Oh, well, I think I'm going to lay up today. You know, I got to be with my girl today, you know. Or, well, I think I'm just going to, I know I got to write this paper. I got 7 days, but I'm going to wait. Procrastination, all those different things, that's because lower self in control. When you vibrate with the high principles, you see everything, boom, start happening around you. Like the blessings is coming from all different types of unexpected ways. Because it's about the high divine principles. Something happened not long ago. They talk about the pole shift. They talk about the pole shift. The demarcation line has already been drawn. The demarcation line has been drawn of what society you gonna roll with. Those that keep holding on to that sluggishness of will, right? That lower self, they can't resist the turkey. Right? That's your lower self. That's your stomach. It ain't just turkey. If you can't resist the turkey, there's a whole bunch of stuff you can't resist. It's your lower self. Strongest power that is given to you. Because if you don't eat, you won't survive. If you don't procreate, won't be nobody here. Right? But you can't let that govern you. The European has created a system where he governs people by their lower self.